It's Bigfoot call.
Bigfoot.
Good morning, American savages! I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a swell day. Yeah, we're in a cabin. We're gonna go do some Bigfoot hunting, so... What's going on, people? We're going to do the Bigfoot thing now. Zeke, are you ready? I'm kind of scared. We got our new secret cameraman for tonight. We can't announce his name, but let's just put WWE Superstar. Okay, now... let's move on to the Bigfoot. Are you ready with your knife? Now, we also have these things that we're gonna go throw on the ground. We're out.
Okay, we're out here.
Yeah, we're out here going,
you know,
going hunting Bigfoot.
I'm hunting for Bigfoot. I'm big Bigfoot. I'm big. Now that light's like got in my eye, I can't see crap now.
He's gonna do his Bigfoot call.
I'm gonna do my Bigfoot.
It's Bigfoot call.
Bigfoot. Hey,
So this tree?
You know something about this tree?
Bigfoot.
A big Bigfoot.
Rubbed on it.
He rubbed on it. He hit it. Okay, we talking about the tree. Now, I'm gonna make a Bigfoot noise. We hear something? Well, you know what the procedure is. Get your butt in the cabin before you're dead, okay?
What the? But wait. After that, or before that, did any of you guys hear that whistling out in the woods? I know Zeke heard it. Like, did you hear it? Let's go.
Seriously, it was just like.
It was weird.
No,
I don't know if you guys know, but there was a haunted mansion, or it's not a mansion, it's a haunted place over there, and we're not gonna go over there, okay? But we're going to go out there and try to listen to it again. So.
Wait.
Let's go! So we're back out here trying to hear this noise. Sorry for the copyright music in the back. None of this music was made by me. This is a copyright disclaimer. None of the music made by me. Other great artists it was made by, but not me, okay?
Most likely Jeff Russell.
Shout out. Now, let's, I can't really hear the whistling or anything like that. Can't hear it. Wait, what was that? What was that? Stop funny. Stop. No, I know that was you that whistled.
No, I just farted.
No, it was you.
I just farted.
It was you that whistled though.
I wasn't.
Yes, it was.
I wasn't. I just laughed because I farted.
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
No, I wasn't whistling.
Are you sure?
I was like fiddling with my knife, and now I just heard that. Whatever.
Yeah, but that's not... See, you just did it, so it was obviously you.
No.
It wasn't you.
It was one of them, I know it. You're stupid.
Alright. Let's go explore the woods a little bit. Alright, so Zeke just went up in the woods a little bit more. We're kind of just looking more for this Bigfoot, and we're kind of looking around, seeing what we can find. There's still that creepy house over there that we don't know about. But... What happened? What?
There was that whistling noise.
What whistling noise?
Who's that?
What is that? What is that?
Did you hear that?
What is that?
That was a howling.
What was that? Some firework videos, so I'll show you guys these right now. So guys, that was pretty insane. I'm sorry for the copyright music again. So yeah, that was pretty insane. What are you doing? Okay. No, seriously though, like...
Finish him!
Seriously though, Zeke, tell me that wasn't creepy though. Just give me your exact, like, what do you...
Ow! What do you cut my finger.
What do you think of... What do you think? Like, that was creepy, I think.
What?
Well, anyway, we'll see you guys in the morning. Roll it, click. Morning, people. Zeke, how'd you sleep?
tired.
Yeah,
Good.
I mean, it's almost actually lunchtime. We actually slept in for a while. Anyway, so this will probably be the end of the video. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Yep, see you. Bye.